Hello, I'm Gene Cox, and this is Snapshot. Did you ever wonder what's going on at your local water treatment plant? Probably not, so let's find out. Chesterfield County is quietly moving forward with an exciting new technology that helps clean the water. These little widgets, thousands of them, are part of the state-of-the-art biological nutrient removal system. Helpful bacteria attaches itself to these little gizmos and they grow. This helps rid the system of nutrients that would ultimately give rise to excessive plants on the water surface, otherwise known as algae. Mr. Hayes, this is not your average water treatment plant. It's better than the average, isn't it?
That's correct, Gene.
What makes it better?
Well, Chesterfield County is committed to protecting our water resources, and one thing on protecting our water resources is ensuring the safe and reliable treatment of waste. That starts with taking waste from our customers' houses, safely transporting it to our treatment plants, and then treating it with state-of-the-art technologies before we safely release it to the environment.
So when you're finished, there's no waste left over from the waste.
That is correct. Actually, when we release the waste to the rivers in which we were originally taking it out, sometimes it's cleaner than the rivers themselves, and it's of more consistent quality.
All right, let's talk about, you call this a widget.
Yes.
All right, this is a miracle worker. Tell us what this little thing does.
Right.
And all of his friends.
Right. This little device is just one part of a complex state-of-the-art treatment technology that we use at this plant. This technology is only used at a handful of treatment facilities around the United States. We call this little widget media, and we actually have hundreds of thousands of this media in the tanks behind me. What it does is it helps us safely remove nutrients from the wastewater.
How does it do that?
To remove nutrients from the wastewater, we actually grow microorganisms, helpful bacteria, that convert ammonia to safe nitrogen gas.
The bacteria attached to this, is that what they do?
That is correct. This is their home. They actually attach to this. They use the surface area of this media to have a higher density and higher population of helpful bacteria, which more efficiently removes nutrients from the wastewater.
Let's go back to the nutrients a moment. Identify what a nutrient is and how it can adversely affect the waterways.
When we have excess nutrients in our waterways, they can trigger small plant structures that grow on the top of our waterways called algae. These algae can actually block out the sun from underwater plants, causing them to stop growing or in some cases even die.
This plant is located right on the James River virtually. Is that a negative impact on the river or is it a good impact?
Actually, because we have these state-of-the-art technologies to remove pollutants from the water, it's actually a good thing. Chesterfield County is committed to protecting the social and economic resources of our water resources around the county. And this plant does just that. By removing pollutants and putting clean, healthy water back into the river, not only are we protecting our water resources for future generations, but we're meeting all state and federal regulations like the Chesapeake Bay Act.
So the fish that are in the water just over the hill, they're a happy fish.
Very happy fish.
Chesterfield County is proud of this quiet project. It takes filthy water and turns it into useful product. What's left is cleaner than it was before and goes back into the environment. For Snapshot, I'm Gene Cox.